Hello, teacher. This is the presentation of my family. My name is Laura Maria Barberi Hernandez. I am 22 years old. My height is 163 centimeters. My weight is 54 kilograms. My eyes are round and dark brown. My hair is brown and very long. She is my grandmother. Her name is Elvira Barriga. She is 78 years old. His height is 160 centimeters. Her weight is 75 kilograms. Her eyes are droopy and dark brown. Her hair is very short and brown. She is my mother. Her name is Olga Lucia Hernandez Barriga. She is 54 years old. His height is 164 centimeters. Her weight is approximately 8 kilograms. Her eyes are dark brown. Her hair is short and black, and she is a secretary. He is my dad. His name is German Barberi Perdomo. He is 68 years old. His height is 178 centimeters. His weight is 19 kilograms. His eyes are dark brown. His hair is short and black. He is a liar, and he likes magic.